Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
It's so nice to see the snow. That is, if you're not having to deal with it out on the roads. But places like Bittersweet, really enjoying the fresh powder. There's Sweet Express, big line. I remember those days getting out there in the evening hours. It's absolutely the best here in West Michigan when you can hit an evening run. Here's a look at Storm Track Live. You can see that we're starting to see the end of this Clipper system push through. So the back edge is right about here. That means lakeshore locations, especially north of Holland, seeing a bit of a lull in the snow. And it's going to be really unequal as to when the snow is technically going to stop from west to east. You can already start to see a bit of light snow continuing to build over Lake Michigan near Holland. But in general, the heaviest stuff is getting ready to track out of West Michigan, and by the time we get to 8 p.m. we're going to start to see things really settle down. This system in full is going to be out of here by the time we get to midnight tonight. So a fast moving system for us. Still some decent snow bursts, especially one that's getting ready to head right into Ionia. It's still tracking just through the Grand Rapids region and just on the south side of Ionia at this point in time. So this evening system clears out before midnight, and then Saturday's system very fast on its heels. This moves in by tomorrow afternoon. So we get a very quick turnaround, almost none. But we are going to start tomorrow dry. When our winds right now are still pretty brisk, temperatures are actually warming, which is interesting, but it makes sense as the Clipper system passes through. We've gained about 5 degrees in the last couple of hours in Grand Rapids. It's sitting at 35 in Holland, 32 in Allegan. We are going to drop below freezing tonight, but it's going to take its time. We actually might be at our warmest near midnight. Here's tomorrow morning. You can see clearing out. So again, tonight's system is going to get progressively easier. So now let's shift focus and look at Saturday. Want to show you this. This is our certainty meter. We don't bring it out too often, but I think tomorrow's system, it's definitely warranted. Right now, we're only going to put certainty at medium, and it's not that we're not certain that we're going to see 6 inches of snow or more. We're also very certain it's going to be Saturday night in through Sunday morning. But what we're uncertain of is the exact location of the bullseye. It's a big deal because if we're talking 6 inches of snow, we need to be very sure of the location, and it's not set in stone yet. So right now it's looking like the best chance of at least 3 inches of snow is going to be near Hastings and Allegan up to the north into Big Rapids. And then right now it's looking like the best chance of 4 to 6 inches of snow is going to be Holland to Muskegon, Greenville, Ionia. Again, some spots could actually see more than 6 inches. Would not be surprised if we had some top out close to 8. But because there's so much model discrepancy right now, we're just not going to be saying exactly what location is going to be hitting the bullseye. It's just not possible with the science at this point in time. 8-day forecast, we get to actually keep the snow, which is great. Sunday, snow wraps up early, a few flurries on Monday, 17 on Tuesday. What a lovely change of pace, right, Sue? We're not just going to go instantly to the melt this time.
That's right. You know, and it does kind of just brighten things up, and it
really
looks
does.
so nice.
Yeah, I almost didn't even notice that the clouds returned today.
Yeah.
The snow made it so bright.
Yes, nice. Thanks, Ellen.